Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to use Google Gemini, one of Google's most powerful AI tools. If you are a student, teacher, programmer, content creator, or working professional, this tool can help you complete many daily tasks faster and more efficiently. In this tutorial, I will explain everything step by step. Even if you have never used Google Gemini before, don't worry. By the end of this video, you will know how to ask better questions, generate useful answers, and use Gemini for studying, writing, coding, travel planning, and content creation. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. First, let's understand what Google Gemini is. Google Gemini is an artificial intelligence assistant developed by Google. You can communicate with Gemini by typing questions in natural language. It understands your requests and generates useful responses within seconds. Gemini can explain difficult topics in simple words. It can write emails and letters. It can summarize long documents. It can generate computer code. It can translate different languages. It can even help you create YouTube video ideas and scripts. Think of Gemini as your personal AI assistant that is available anytime you need help. Now, let's see how to use it. Open your web browser. Search for Google Gemini. Open the official Gemini website. Sign in using your Google account. After signing in, you will see the Gemini homepage. At the bottom of the screen, there is a message box. This is where you type your prompts. A prompt is simply an instruction or question that you ask the AI. Let's try our first prompt. Type the following prompt. Explain artificial intelligence in simple English. Now press enter. Within a few seconds, Gemini generates a simple explanation. Notice how it explains the topic using easy words. If you want an even simpler explanation, you can ask, explain it like I am a 10-year-old student. The more specific your question is, the better the answer becomes. This makes Gemini an excellent learning companion for students. Now let's create a leave application. Type the prompt. Write a leave application for school because I have a fever for 2 days. Press enter. Gemini writes a complete leave application with a subject, greeting, body, and closing. If you want the application to be shorter, simply type, make it shorter. If you need a more formal version, type, rewrite it in a formal style. Gemini updates the response instantly. Now let's summarize a paragraph. Copy any long paragraph and paste it into Gemini. Then type, summarize this paragraph in 5 points. Press enter. Gemini converts the long paragraph into 5 simple and easy to understand points. This feature is very useful for students preparing for exams and professionals who need quick summaries of reports or articles. Now let's create a study timetable. Type the prompt. Create a 7-day study timetable for class 10. Press enter. Gemini prepares a complete weekly study plan. It includes study time, revision sessions, and breaks. You can customize the timetable by asking Gemini to focus more on mathematics, science, or any other subject. This helps students stay organized and manage their time effectively. Now let's see how Gemini can help YouTube creators. Type the prompt. Give me 10 YouTube video ideas about AI. Press enter. Gemini generates 10 creative video ideas. If you create videos regularly, this feature can save a lot of planning time. You can also ask Gemini to write titles, descriptions, thumbnails, and complete video scripts. Now let's generate some programming code. Type the prompt. Write Python code to print Hello World. Press enter. Gemini writes the code instantly. You can also ask, explain every line of this code. This is very helpful for beginners who are learning programming. If your code contains an error, simply paste it into Gemini and ask it to find and fix the mistake. Now let's translate a sentence. Type the prompt. Translate this sentence into Hindi. Then type, welcome to my YouTube channel. Press enter. Gemini translates the sentence into Hindi within seconds. It supports many languages and can also rewrite text in a formal or simple style. This feature is useful for students, teachers, and anyone who communicates in multiple languages. Now let's plan a trip. Type the prompt. Plan a 3-day trip to Goa with a budget of 20,000 rupees. Press enter. Gemini creates a complete travel plan. It includes suggested places to visit, daily activities, estimated expenses, and travel tips. If you want a family trip, a solo trip, or a luxury trip, simply change the prompt. Gemini will generate a new plan according to your requirements. Before we finish, let me share 3 important tips. Tip number 1. Always write clear and detailed prompts. Instead of writing, write an email. Write a professional leave email for school because I have a fever for 2 days. Detailed prompts produce better answers. Tip number 2. If you don't like the first response, ask Gemini to improve it. For example, make it shorter. Add examples. Explain it in simple English. Or rewrite it in a professional style. Tip number 3. Keep asking follow-up questions. The more information you provide, the more helpful Gemini becomes. Congratulations! Today, you learned the basics of Google Gemini. You learned how to ask questions, write leave applications, summarize text, create study timetables, generate YouTube ideas, write programming code, translate languages, and plan a trip. These are just a few examples of what Gemini can do. I encourage you to try these prompts and explore more features on your own. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and press the notification bell so you don't miss our upcoming AI tutorials. In the next video, we will learn another amazing AI tool that can help you become more productive. Thank you for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.